Next, you'll see the 10 heaviest marine animals in the history of Earth's oceans, all ranked by the latest scientific data. 10th place, the Mosasaurus hoffmanii. Living in the late Cretaceous, 70 to 66 million years ago. He was the apex predator of his time, reaching 12 to 18 meters in length, conservatively weighing 10 to 20 tons. Some estimates reached 24.5 tons. His jaws held 2 rows of inward curving teeth. Once he bit down, prey couldn't escape. There was no getting away. His body was like a giant Komodo dragon, with limbs evolved into paddles. His underwater speed was incredible. At the end of the Cretaceous, he was the undisputed emperor of the sea. Nothing could survive his strike. But ironically, he wasn't defeated by a rival. 66 million years ago, an asteroid struck the Earth. He and the dinosaurs were wiped out. He didn't lose to an opponent. He lost to the universe. The monster that ate the shark in Jurassic World? That's him. But on this list, he only ranks 10th, because everyone else here is heavier. 9th place, Leadsichthys problematicus. Living in the mid-Jurassic, 165 to 155 million years ago, the largest known bony fish, reaching 16.5 meters in length, weighing up to 44.9 tons, heavier than today's whale shark. First, about his name. Problematicus means problematic in Latin. Scientists pieced together his fragments, but couldn't figure out his true size, so they just put it in the name. This 45-ton giant fed on plankton. Things so small you can barely see them. He filtered water, living more calmly than any predator. Think 45 tons makes you safe? His fossils show bite marks from pliosaurs. In the Jurassic, if you can't fight, you're just a buffet for others. Sometimes, weight isn't a shield, it's a target. He proves to you that you don't grow big just to lie. You grow big to survive. 8th place, the sperm whale. Living from the Pleistocene to today, males reach 16 to 18 meters, weighing up to 57 tons, the largest toothed whale alive, with the heaviest brain on Earth. His head is a third of his body, containing 3 tons of spermaceti oil, a mysterious, waxy fluid. Scientists have debated it for a century, with no final conclusion, but one thing is certain: his clicks reach 230 decibels, louder than a jet engine. He can shatter a prey's organs. Then he holds his breath for over 90 minutes, diving 3,000 meters into the abyss, to wrestle giant squids. The circular scars on his body are proof of those deep-sea wars. Usually, the sperm whale wins. Think whales are gentle? You're wrong. He is a breathing deep-sea missile. You just don't see him often. 7th place, Livyatan melvillei. Living in the Miocene, 13 to 12 million years ago. His fossils were found in Peru, reaching 17 to 18 meters, weighing about 65 tons, named after Moby Dick's author, Herman Melville. The name alone shows how much scientists fear him. His teeth were 35 centimeters long, the longest functional teeth of any known animal. Fiercer than a T-Rex, lined across both jaws. Not for show, he used them to tear whales apart. He lived in the same ocean as the megalodon. 2 of history's greatest killers coexisted. There's no fossil evidence of who hunted whom. Nobody knows. That duel is frozen in history. No winner, no referee, just endless imagination. 6th place, Shastosaurus sicaniensis. Living in the late Triassic, 227 to 208 million years ago, found in British Columbia, Canada. About 21 meters long, weighing up to 81.5 tons, the largest named marine reptile. A warning, he's called an ichthyosaur. But he's not a fish or a dragon. He's a reptile. Just like dolphins aren't fish. Evolution doesn't care about names. This 81.5-ton beast fed on mollusks and small invertebrates, ruling the Triassic seas. Even more shocking, this strategy predates whales by 30 million years. Nature finds the same path across different eras and species. What does that mean? That the answers that truly work will be verified by time over and over. The most moving thing about nature is that the same answer isn't just for one species. 5th place, the bowhead whale, living from the Pleistocene to today. Inhabiting the icy Arctic waters, reaching 18 to 21 meters, weighing over 100 tons. Scientists once found a 19th century harpoon inside a bowhead whale, proving he was alive back then. Based on that, researchers analyzed his island's amino acids and estimated he was 211 years old. He was born in the Napoleonic era and is still alive today. His blubber is 40 centimeters thick. He spends his life in sub-zero waters, unbothered by the ice. He never moves out of the way. He just smashes through 1.5-meter ice to breathe. His head is a living icebreaker. He has no sharp teeth, no incredible speed, yet he has no natural predators. There's more than one way to be strong. Sometimes, just surviving is the victory. 4th place. The megalodon. Living in the Miocene to Pliocene, 23 to 3.6 million years ago, reaching 20 to 25 meters. According to a 2024 study by 29 scientists, he weighed up to 103 tons. His teeth were 18 centimeters long, with an average bite force of 28 tons, peaking at over 36 tons. The strongest bite in Earth's history. One bite could crush a whale's ribcage and turn turtle shells to dust. He ruled the oceans for over 20 million years. Human history is only 5,000 years long, but his end is more haunting than his strength. He wasn't defeated by a rival. The climate cooled, prey vanished, and the food chain collapsed. He simply starved to death. The strongest predator on Earth, lost to the weather. He proves in 20 million years, there is no eternal king, only current strength. 3rd place. The fin whale, living in the Pleistocene today, reaching 25 meters in length. Weighing up to 110 tons, the 2nd largest animal alive, after the blue whale, known as the greyhound of the sea. A 110-ton giant that can swim at 40 kilometers per hour, the speed trempion of the baleen whales. Weight and speed combined. But he has an unsolved mystery. His colors are asymmetrical. White on the right jaw, gray on the left, unique in the animal kingdom. Why did he evolve this way? Nobody knows. Scientists suspect a 22.7-meter female, weighing 13.78 tons. Her heart was only 130 kilograms. A heart not much bigger than a cow's. Drives a 110-ton body across the oceans. His existence is a puzzle that evolution left for this planet. 2nd place. Paracetus colossus, living in the Miocene, 39 million years ago, 17 to 20 meters long. Discovered and named in Peru in 2023. Estimated weight between 85 and 340 tons. Guinness World Records once listed him as a candidate for the heaviest animal. When these bones were unearthed, the paleontology world was stunned. His bone density is 2 to 3 times a blue whale's. The skeleton alone might weigh more than an entire blue whale, but the scientific community soon erupted. New, rigorous models were used. If he was 17 meters long, he weighed 60 to 70 tons. If he reached 20 meters, the limit was 98 to 114 tons. The conclusions vary wildly. 2 years of debate, no result. His true weight remains a mystery, but one thing is certain. 39 million years ago, Earth already had life of this scale. His Shitori isn't finished. The mystery remains. 1st place, Balaenoptera musculus, the blue whale. No suspense here. In Earth's 4.6 billion year history, he is the heaviest marine animal. Living from the Pleistocene to today, reaching 27.6 to 33.6 meters. In 1947, a 27.6-meter female was caught in the Southern Ocean, weighing 190 tons, confirmed by Guinness World Records as the heaviest life form ever recorded. His heart is the size of a car, weighing 500 kilograms, the largest heart in the animal kingdom. His aorta is wide enough for a child to crawl through. His tongue weighs 2.7 tons, like a small SUV. He can travel 800 kilometers across the ocean. There were 33.58-meter individuals, estimated to exceed 240 tons, but those individuals left no weight records. They were erased by the era of commercial whaling. In just a few decades of the 20th century, humans killed over 350,000 blue whales. The heaviest life in Earth's history almost vanished at our hands. Today, the population is slowly recovering, but it's still far from pre-whaling numbers. He has held the 1st place spot for millions of years. I hope he continues to do so. But the Shitori isn't over yet. In 2024, scientists found a giant ichthyosaur fossil on a cliff near the Severn River in the UK, estimated at 25 meters long, living 200 million years ago in the late Triassic. His size rivals the blue whale. He's called the Severn giant ichthyosaur. Do you think he should be on this list? Or even take 1st place? But paleontologists are direct. There are only a few bone fragments. His exact weight cannot be calculated, but if a complete fossil is found, Do you think he could challenge the blue whale?